And today we're going to be doing a deep dive into color gels. So I have the pink on one side, the blue on one side, and then over here I have the blue on one side and the pink on one side on the same side. So it's matching up. So once the subject's in the middle, you can see those shadows and the different highlights of the colors on each side. What do you do, familia? It's your boy Taxi PNG, and we're back at it again with another one, man. Today we're going to be doing a deep dive into color gels, showing you guys how I shoot, how I use them in the real world. Well, the real world, but like in studio. You can use it through continuous light. You can use it through flash photography. I mainly use it through continuous light. It's a lot easier to dial in those colors and really get them to be seen when you're using continuous light. I have multiple different RGB lights that I'm able to use, but sometimes you only have what you have. So you can get some color gels from Amazon. They're actually fairly cheap, like $20, and you get like 50 different colors. Some of them are multiples, like you could double them up to make it darker and stuff like that, and you can shine that nice white light through your continuous light, whether it's a Godox SL60W, a Zhiyun B200, like how I have. You can shine the light through that and it will change the whole color. So you don't have to have a full RGB light. You will still be able to use a regular standard continuous light, right? Whether that be warm tones or whether it be cool tones, and you can shoot through these gels. Okay, so we're gonna be diving into that today, kind of giving you guys a behind the scenes look at how I do it. And for everybody that's new to the channel, I'm Taxi PNG. I am a how do I explain what I do? I'm a portrait photographer basically, but I like doing a lot of creative portraiture, and I like to try to inspire everyone to do anything for their shot in life, regardless of what it is, whether it's in front of the camera or behind the camera. You have to be the one that sees your shot in life. So let's get into it. Let's do it. Let's go. If you're going to do a creative photo shoot, you guys, get you some gels, some photography gels off of Amazon. Go ahead and strap them up to your continuous light. I don't know if you guys can see that. I split it in half. I use a little bit of blue painter's tape, split it in half just like so, and now it's creating an image just like this. And as you can see, the lighting looks amazing. Yeah, this is good. All right, bet, because the pink and the pink, okay, cool. And it's like, they're on their respective sides. Oh, one more, hold it. Ain't no way. I felt it happen, bro. I was like, ain't no way, bro. No cap, though. Oh, one more, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna tell you what to do, I got you. I'm literally just like, I'm bullshitting right now, honestly. But I'm trying to test out stuff. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, let me see. All right, just look at lighting and stuff, make sure you like what you like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I love it.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, bro, let's get it. All right, so, wait, one more tester. Touch your head the opposite way a little bit. Let me see, hold on. Okay, I think I have it. Okay, I got it where I wanted it. I want another cross once again, just like how you did like this, and I want you to come up here. Just like that, yeah, and then bend into a little piece. You like that, hold it. And then bring your torso back. Yeah, like that, boom, boom, hold it. Yep, just like that, there you go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. I think that it's very important to show rather than tell when it comes to clients, models, or even, especially people who aren't models. If you can show them the pose rather than tell them what to do, it will create a more comfortable experience for them because they're seeing you do it and they see exactly how it needs to be done rather than you telling them what to do. Because when you tell them what to do, it's very easier for them to get confused. You also waste a lot of time and there's too much back and forth because they may not get it exactly how you want it. So if you show them rather than tell them, they will end up doing it in their own way and it'll become more comfortable for them. And then reassure them after they do it that they're doing it right. So yes, that's good. I like that. Try this. Or, oh, I like that, but try this. So just continue to coach them through it because they may not be a professional. Is the fan too powerful? Let me know. Like, okay, bet. 3, 2, 1, yeah. All right, now you're straight. Take that left hand and put it here. It's like that, yeah, like that, like that, like that. Hold it, hold it, yep, right there, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's like that, 3, 2, 1. Yes, there you go. Oh, with that right hand, come up here. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Look off to the doors, the door. Hold it, yep. And now like look at me, but like you're kind of gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, there we go, like that. There we go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. One more. There we go, back. All right, so now what I want you to do is, I want you to be like, your tattoo's on your right side, so I'm gonna say left leg up. You're gonna be, cause you're on your heels, so you're gonna be like this.
Okay.
And I want like this.
Okay.
Yeah, bet.
All right.
Oh, let me turn it down 1. And dive me some GG4, let go. Yeah, there you go. Hold it, 3, 2, yep, like that, boom. 3, 2, 1, yep. One more, yep. Bring it like, that side. So take your hand and it's in like this. Yeah, like that. And I'll bring your elbow down. Like that, hold it. Yeah, like that, boom. Tilt your head more that way. There you go, like that. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yep, there you go, hold it. One more, hold it. Hold it. Now give me eye contact right here. Do it one more time. You're gonna be looking like past your arm. And then like, so instead of having your head so much over, bring it closer, like down. Like that, boom. Hold it, yep, hold it. One more, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's cute. Do both hands like up. Yeah, like that. Angle them towards me. Like that. Yep, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there you go, hold it. One more, yep. There we go. Yes, there we go. There we go. Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah.
That's good. That eats.
Come on.
Yes, those are fire.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love it. Oh my god, we just started.
So for the next one, what I'm thinking is I want you like, so you're gonna be sitting on this part,
Okay.
right? So it's gonna be like your legs gonna be folded over like so, and then your legs gonna be out straight, so like this.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Got
And
it.
you could even be like, do pull one of these, like looking through your arm type shit. It's a weird pose, so balance is key. 100%. Cute. Yes, there you go. Pop it. Yes. There you go. Yes, there you go. Yes, exactly. Yes, hold it. There you go. Yes, look right here. Yes. Turn your head a little bit more. Towards me. Turn your head this way. Boom. Yeah, there you go, like that. Hold it right there. Yes, there you go. Hold it. Yes, cute. One more. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Bring your arm across your head. So like that. Boom. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Turn your head this way a little bit. Bam. There you go. And look at me. There you go. Yep. Hold it. One more. Look off that way. Hold it. One more. There we go. Yeah, that's hard. Here.
One of those.
Yeah,
Okay.
there we go. Other one. That one. Yeah. There you go. And then suck. Yep. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more. Angle yourself. So do it this way. Yep, just like that. There you go. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Yep. Put that right hand up. Put your weight on your left. Yeah. Boom. Just like that. Yep. There you go. Yep. Hold it. One more. Hold it. Bet. Now switch sides. Come over here. This side. Yep. Same vibe as before. Put your foot like towards this way. Angle it towards me. Yeah. There you go. Like that. Boom. There you go. Yep. Yeah. Cute. And then just like that. Hold it. There you go. Yep. There you go. Yep. Hold it. There you go. Hold it. Let me see. Look up and off that way. There you go. Hold it. One more. There you go. Now look at me right here. Eye contact. Take that right hand and put it here. Like that. Yep. Just like that. Yep. Just like that. Cute. Tilt your head a little bit more this way. Boom. Hold. Yep. There we go. Yep. There we go. So you guys, when mixing continuous light, I know I didn't speak to y'all. Apologize. But I'm mixing the blue with the pink. These are low-key opposite colors. They kind of get that bubblegum cotton candy vibe. But these are also colors that are easy and they're close to the primary colors, which are blue and red, which are easy to use on the color wheel when you're kind of like morphing them and you're editing and stuff like that.
To dive a little bit deeper on this, what I'm saying is with this pink and this blue color, when editing in Lightroom, it's a lot easier to enhance these colors, okay? So it's a lot easier to bring them forward and punch them, make them a lot more vibrant. You would separate your subject from the background on a masking layer, and you can up the vibrance of this background color. But because even when you're taking your shots, the photos, the colors might not come out as vibrant, but you have to know that you can pull them away from the photo when you're editing to make them as vibrant as you want them to be. So just enough color will give you just enough for you to be able to pull forward in your editing software, okay? And also, as you guys can see, I put the blue light on the right side of the subject and the pink light on the back left side of the subject because I wanted that blue light to kind of be more in front depending on where I'm shooting from. So depending on where I'm shooting from and how I angle them, because I have these lights in one central or one specific position on both sides, it's going to be dependent of how I frame my model. It's going to depend on how the light is casted on my model. If she's facing straight, she's going to have an even light on both sides. If she's facing to the side, she's going to have more of that pink light on one side versus if she's facing this way, she's gonna have more of that blue. So you kind of like decide which side you want to put it on and which side you want that color to cast on. So when my model's like, oh, my better side is my left side, so I'm gonna put that blue on that side because it's a lighter color, right? So that blue is kind of closer to white, okay? So that blue is gonna help, it's that light blue, right? Is gonna help bring in those tones, and now the shadows are gonna be pink. So behind her is gonna be pink, so I'm gonna have her shadows pink. I really hope that that makes sense. Let's get back into it.
It allows you to do a lot. Like I can change these colors to different colors easily because they are primary colors. So it's really cool, really easy, really fun. But when you're doing this, you wanna make sure they're both on the same power. So this is on 100%, have that one on 100%, so that it will be even, okay? So I have the gel lights up here that I mixed as well on the same side. So I have the pink on one side, the blue on one side, and then over here I have the blue on one side and the pink on one side on the same side. So it's matching up. So once the subject's in the middle, you can see those shadows and the different highlights of the colors on each side. So if you have a lighter tone client, I recommend that you use blue for their skin tone to help their undertones pop, because a lot of time their undertones are like more on the, you know, red, the pink, and the orange side. Or if you have a darker skin tone client that you're utilizing for this shot, I would recommend to use the key light to be pink, you know what I'm saying, to up their undertones, which usually are like more darker undertones, you know what I mean? So yeah, quick rule of thumb. I don't really talk to y'all too much, I even show y'all the behind the scenes, but y'all get the vibe. So y'all, I feel like y'all watch and y'all learn, kind of like a physical learner and shit, but I feel like y'all more so just like to watch. So I want like a, yeah, I want to give, hold on, let me see what I can do. Let me see what I can do. So you're gonna sit, and I'm thinking maybe here, maybe just like, just this, like just this, right? So when you sit, don't just sit down. The like what's it called, the hack is to like stand, you spread, and then you sit, and then it makes you like wider type vibes, right? Just like that, boom, and then now it's like, what? There you go, yeah, just like that. There you go, yeah, just like that. And then the best way to like help out, also give you guys a rule of thumb, when they're posing like this and you want to give more body, you want to kind of take their hands away from their waist, because for example, if I have her posing like this is hiding her curves. So exactly, I would have her arms up more, maybe close, maybe more wholesome, anything that gets it away from that body, anything that gets it away from those sides, because if her sides are really nice and curvy and she got her arms there, you can't tell. You know what I mean? They're close and they're closing it up. It's showing like, oh yeah, she got something, but like I can't see. You know what I'm saying? So you want to open that up, like literally behind all of that. So keep that thing and keep that rule of thirds in mind. Well, I mean the rule of thumb, LOL, in mind. I've been doing too much educational videos today. The rule of thumb in mind. There we go. Yes, yeah, that's cute. See, look, that's cute. Boom. With it back is cute. Hold it, don't move. There we go. One more. Try tilting your head the other way too. Yeah, give me both vibes. Just like that. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. And then look up and off that way again too. That was cute. One more, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Look up into the camera right here. One more, hold it. Now go ahead and put your hands like on you. Put them like on and then rub up. There we go, there we go, there we go. Hold it. And if you guys are asking, don't move. If you guys are asking like how I don't know how I know. I just think I shoot so much that I just know to like, you know, tilt. Cause I be like, oh, how do you know what angles look good and bad? I don't know. Every angle is different for every person that you're shooting. So it's like, when you just learn the more you shoot. So just
elaborate on this. Yes, keep shooting. You learn the more that you shoot. So it's like the more you practice, the better you get. Like with any game or anything. If you're a Call of Duty, I used to play Call of Duty like crazy. So the more that I honed my skills, the better I would get when playing, right? So playing Warzone or whatever, or chess or basketball, football, whatever it is that you love to do and love to play, you get better with practice, okay? So you won't get better if you don't practice, which is why I create these videos to help you guys practice. Get out there in the field and shoot something. Do anything for the shot, cuz. You know what I'm saying? So the more repetition is going to become second nature. So that's the best part about it is, let's say for example, you're setting this up and it takes you an hour to do it your first time. You set it up again, it takes you 30 minutes. Set it up again, it takes you 15. Set it up again, it takes you 5. So the more reps that you get in, the better you will get. That's with anything in life. So I feel like you guys can apply that here. The more that you do it, the more that you try and just experiment, okay? Like you could do green and yellow, you could do blue, you could do whatever colors you want, and see how they match. You know, orange, you see that teal and orange vibe all the time. That's another one that works out a lot. So a lot of people use that orange and blue, that teal and blue. People use those a lot, those combinations a lot, because they work a lot, right? So try them out for yourself. Try the intensities out. Try everything for yourself, but get those reps in, you guys. Back to the video.
Oh, that E.
Come on.
Yeah.
Like what? Look at the shadows are hitting.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you rub your hand from your knee up to your side, and I'm gonna like do a little video. Yeah, right there. There you go. Hold it. Let me see. Hold it. Then move. 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead. Up to your side. Boom. And then you're gonna turn to look at the camera, just like that. Yep. Boom. Cute. Now I'm gonna have you do it one more time. Do it with both. So kind of like come down. Yep, and then come up. Yep, just like that. Better. I'm gonna have you do one with your hair. You're gonna go in. You're gonna come like this. Do it again. Then go down with your hands this time. Turn this way a little bit. You have a tattoo on your side?
No. Well, this.
Yeah. Well, I mean that one technically.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
Now I figured. All right, ready? Same thing. Start up top and then go down. Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Yeah, and go all the way down to the knees. There you go. Yeah. Bust down Cardi lens.
I love it.
And then this one right here.
Yeah, those are hard.
Do you want to get some? You want to get some back?
We can do some.
Okay. So go ahead, stand. Let me see. Tattoo side, right? Which is the right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, literally that. Literally that. Literally that. Don't move. Literally that. Don't move. There we go. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Don't move. There we go. One more. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Look up and off that way. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Cute. Put that right hand on your. Yeah, right there. Boom. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it like that. There you go. One more. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Look over at me right here, like right across. Yeah, right there. Hold it. Boom. Don't move. I think I'm gonna have you looking this way. And I'm gonna have you like, so as you're standing, you're gonna like come up and you're gonna look over at the camera.
Okay.
Practice run.
So
Cause you're like, huh, what you say?
You went from here?
So from here, up, and then you're gonna look right. Boom, like that, yeah. One more time, smoother. I don't know why I feel like you went too fast.
Right?
Yeah, like it felt like, I was like,
This is
I think you looked quick. I think you looked quick.
I know.
So maybe, yeah, maybe, yeah. All right, ready? Oh, I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna have you look this way. You're gonna put your hair just a little bit right here,
okay.
And then I'm gonna have you and look. Yeah.
Okay.
Get some get that in there like that. Oh, that was cute. All right, bet. Now turn around. I'm gonna have you look at me, and I'm gonna have you. Do you have a lip gloss in there?
Yes.
All right. So I'm gonna have you put it on, but act like you're in the mirror.
Okay.
Type shit. So like put it on, and then like do like the little like do it cutely, and then like yeah, shit like that. All right, ready? Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Yep. Yep, just like that. Yep. Hold it. Yeah.
Cute. I like.
Yeah.
I like.
Oh, let me show you the other ones. I didn't even show you those. Hold on. The video, the pictures. I put the light in on purpose. I put that light in there on purpose. I was like, yeah,
I like
cool.
that.